understand the formula in calculus, it is you have to note down when I teach you, when you see this class, you have to note down every point what I write, right? Okay. So there are so many rules here. All the rules I am going to explain it here. There is one rule. The first rule means let y is equal to y is a function, y is equal to c. Y is equal to c means y is equal to a constant. There is no independent variable there, right? So the differential coefficient of y means that is dy. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of c. C is a constant, therefore there is no change. Therefore, d by dx of any constant, that means differential coefficient of constant is always equal to 0. This is the first rule. Dy by dx of c is equal to, what is c? C is a constant. Second rule. For example, I tell you, example also I can write. That means y is equal to 7. Y is a function that is equal to 7. Right? Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to d by dx of y. Y is equal to 7. That is differential coefficient of a constant is equal to 0. When there is change in the value of any quantity, the independent variable, the change in the other quantity is 0. Why 0? Because the value is equal to 7. So differential coefficient of a constant is equal to 0. This is the first rule. I think you might have noted it down, right? So every point, right, in a sequence way, in a sequence, you have to note it down. First rule is over. And the second rule. Second rule is like this. Suppose that y is equal to cu, where u is a function of x. Function of x. Where u is a function of x, right? X means independent variable. Then dy by dx, I will write the example also. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of y. Y is equal to cu only. You will write cu here. But c is a constant, it can be taken outside. Then what you write? This is equal to c into d by dx of u. You can write du by dx. So this is another rule. That means y is a function of a constant and a variable. Then constant is taken outside and the variable is differentiated. Variables that can change. Those things that can change only, we can calculate the differential coefficient of that. Understand? U will change. Why? U is a dependent variable. Sorry, independent variable. Example I will write you. Suppose y is equal to example. Y is equal to 5x, I am writing. So in this expression, y is equal to 5x. So 5 is c and x is u. U is a function of x. Okay. And this 5 is a constant value, that is c. In this case, dy by dx, how we can calculate dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 5x. D by dx of 5x. 5 is taken outside. That is 5 into d by dx of x only. This cancel. You are getting the value as equal to 5 only. So you have differentiated for the first time in your life. Y is equal to 5x differentiated. So differential coefficient of 5x is equal to 5 only. Very, very clear. Very simple. These are the rules. So for differential coefficient can be used for many purposes. Right? So these are the differential coefficient of functions I am going to tell you. Differential coefficient of a constant value is always equal to 0. Why differential coefficient of function constant value is equal to 0? Differential quantity is change of one quantity with respect to change of the other. One quantity is not changing means change is equal to the rate of change is equal to 0. The rate of change of constant is equal to 0 only. That is why the first rule gone. Right. Second rule is what? Cx, a constant into a variable. Then how differential coefficient can be calculated or how this can be differentiated. So differential of y is equal to 5x, for example. This is the rule and this is the best example of that. Very befitting example. Y is equal to 5x. Therefore, dy by dx is a differential coefficient. Right? differentiating this expression between dy by dx is equal to d by dx of what's the value of y? Y is equal to 5x. 5 is taken outside and dx by dx. So dx by dx means is equal to 1. Therefore, we are getting is equal to 5, right? Next is sum rule. Sum rule means suppose two things are added. For example, this is very simple. Suppose y is equal to u plus or minus c. Y is equal to u plus or minus b, where u and b both are functions of x.